Hello graphic designers, in this short video tutorial I'm going to show how you can create a gritty style texture in Adobe Illustrator. Let's create a shape, add black color. If you use any other color than black it won't work. Go to effect, pixelate and then match tint. There are many options in drop down menu. I'm going to use grainy dots. You can explore other options as well. Go to object, expand appearance. As you can see, it has become an image now. It's not vector anymore. We need to image trace. Hit OK. You need to adjust threshold. You can play with the options to get your desired results. I think it's good for me. Hit expand and ungroup it. Select the white area and hit delete. Delete this white part as well. Select all and group. We need to add a background. I'm going to use this gradient. Arrange and send backward. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.